Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Remove loose paint and sand with 120 grit until the surface feels smooth. Wipe down the wall with mineral spirits on a clean rag after sanding. Fill holes with a fast-drying spackle and sand once cured for a seamless surface. Apply a high-quality alkyd primer with a 3/5-inch roller for even coverage. Brush edges with a natural bristle brush and feather the primer into surrounding areas. Ensure ventilation and keep temperature between 55 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit while priming before applying oil paint. Stir oil paint thoroughly on a clean palette before thinning for consistent color. Thin oil paint up to 10% with odorless mineral spirits for brushability and faster drying. Load a natural bristle brush and remove excess on the palette edge to avoid drips. Apply thin layers no more than 1/16 inch to prevent sagging and long drying times. Work from top to bottom and maintain wet edges for smoother blending. Wait 24 to 48 hours between coats, depending on humidity and solvent used for. After the final coat, allow the paint to tack-free dry for 2 to 4 weeks before heavy cleaning. Clean brushes immediately with odorless mineral spirits, then wash with soap and water and reshape bristles. Dispose of rags soaked with solvents flat to dry outside to prevent spontaneous combustion. Test a small area before varnishing to ensure proper adhesion and color. Finish with a satin alkyd varnish, applied 2 weeks after the final coat, dries for durable protection and easier cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.